An orbital box diagram can be used to describe the electron arrangement in atoms. The orbitals are drawn as boxes, going in order of increasing energy. Let's consider an atom with 7 electrons. We start by putting the electrons in the lowest energy orbital first. When it has 2 electrons, then it is full and we move on. Notice these 2 electrons must also have opposite spin. As we continue filling the orbitals with the 7 electrons, we get to the 2p, where we have to fill them singly first. We can write the electron configuration straight from the orbital box diagram. It is important to notice that the 2p3 electrons are actually unpaired electrons as shown in the box. We consider an atom with 20 electrons. We'll follow the same rules. Lowest energy orbitals fill first, continuing putting 2 electrons per orbital. When we get to the top of our diagram, we find we have to add 1 more orbital to accommodate all the electrons. Next, we learn how to draw the diagram that shows the order in which the orbitals fill. First energy level has only S, second has S and P, third has SPD, and so forth. Then we add diagonal lines down from the upper right to the lower left to show the order in which we will fill the orbitals. To use this diagram, you simply follow the diagonal lines, starting at the top and working toward the bottom. Remember that s orbitals come in a group of 1, holding a maximum of 2 electrons. P orbitals come in sets of 3, holding 6 electrons. D orbitals come in a set of 5, holding 10 electrons. And f orbitals in a group of 7 hold 14 electrons. To write an electron configuration for an atom with 15 electrons, we start at the top of the diagram, and when each set of orbitals is full, we move on. So we write our electron configuration, following the diagram, counting electrons as we go. Once we get to 15 electrons, then we will know we are done with the electron configuration. It is important to follow the order and follow all of the rules. You can follow this same procedure for writing any electron configuration. Learn how to draw the diagonal diagram, learn how to use it, and you're good to go. We will do the next electron configuration for an atom with 42 electrons, which sounds like a lot, but it is the same procedure, starting with 1s2, continuing on with 2s2, and so forth, until you get all the way to 42 electrons. Be sure to put the orbitals in the correct order. For example, 4s comes before 3d, not 3d before 4s. If you're following the diagram, you should do just fine with this. Continue counting electrons so that you know when you've completed your electron configuration.